Salut tout le monde! Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Mélissa Rockburn here. Do you have straight hair? Maybe a little bit wavy, but you wish it was curlier? Well, welcome to the Curly Girl series. If you haven't seen my last video with Ange, make sure you check it out. But this week's tutorial is all about the pencil curl. So I achieved this look using a pencil, a straightener, and a bit of product. And let me know, I'd love to see your own results. Try it out. I love how this gives me nice volume. I do have thin hair, so this is a great look. Do know that it does take time, so I wouldn't do this before my kids wake up in the morning. This is a Saturday afternoon look. Ray's taking care of the kids right now. They're having lunch. Super quiet, can't even hear them. Hello? So good, eh? So try it out, let me know what you think. So to do this look, you want to have a pencil, you then need a straightener, a brush, just to comb out and make sure it's nice and smooth. And we will also be using a few products. So I'm going to be using the root lifter because I want to maximize the volume there. I'm also, before starting, I'm going to be using the Intense Repair Treatment Spray, and that's because I have postpartum hair loss, or I did, and now it's growing in. So you could see there's a lot of wispy small ends all over the crown of my head, and I want to help promote that natural hair growth, and I want it to catch up because I did have half my hair shaved in May, so I am slowly trying to have it all catch up and be one length. And finally, before putting the heat to my hair, I'm going to put a tiny bit of the Restyle Instant Sculpting Taffy. I find it just gives it a nice, it holds the curls nicely. It also helps with the frizz. So I'm going to be using that. And why not add a tiny bit of thermal protection spray, because heat tools are the most damaging to our hair. So we want to make sure to protect the follicle from the heat. And the great news is there's no silicones or waxes in these products, so you can and should reduce the heat of your thermal tools. So mine is set at between 230 and 300, so there's probably 250, and we'll see. I think it's pretty hot. I can't believe I used to not use anything, and then also would crank it up to 450 because I felt like it took that much to hold my hair flat. But meanwhile, I was cooking the plastics and waxes onto my hair, so none of that anymore. All right, so Thermal Protect. Got it right here. You may have this, or you may have the blowout cream. Both are good. The Thermal Protect just gives you, it's the Salon collection, so you can have your heat tools even higher than the blowout cream. Both are great. You want to make sure to shake all these products before you apply, because they're infused with rejuvenate oil, which infuses into the core of your hair, so it goes right to the cortex to heal the hair. So not only I'm applying the Intense Repair Spray in the areas I feel that are thinning, or I want to maximize the hair growth, and that's it. And you just rub it in, and think happy thoughts is always nice. Just in general, just think happy thoughts. Now I'm applying the Reshape Root Lifter, which is part of the volume line. And what's amazing with these tools, or these products, I like rooting, maximizing the roots everywhere. What's amazing with these products is that you can layer them on. It doesn't leave a film. It's made to work together, so you're not minimizing the performance of the products. Scalp massages are actually the best for promoting hair growth as well. The best is when someone massages it for you, but if you don't have someone to do that, do it yourself. Okay, so now I'm gonna tie it up. Using the Restyle Instant Sculpting Taffy. It's creamy, you don't need a lot. Mix a tiny bit of this Thermal Protect because I'm going to be applying this through layers. You take your pencil, you wrap it around, you want to wrap it up and make your way down. Hold that, you can always twist it to make it closer to your scalp. Definitely not like, you can't do this if you're rushed. This is definitely like...
I'm not rushing you.
No, I'm just letting the viewers know because I'm still filming right now. And my awesome husband is taking care of all the kids and bringing them coffee.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
Nah.
Hi, viewers.
Coffee day's the best. Oh, so fun. Okay, so options now would be to leave it like this or to comb it out. So I'm thinking I would comb it out. What do you think? Yeah, right? So it's like a live experiment. I do like how this creates lots of volume for me. I do have thinner hair. So you could do this. You could do this on this side. I think I'm just gonna leave this one free. And to activate the root lifter, you can just do that. There you have it, and I would add the rejuvenating oil, just 2 drops. There you go. If you don't have this, you should check out my video, Warm It Up, about what the rejuvenate does for your hair. The title of my video is Rejuvenate, Oil, and Green Grass. And it's interesting, it'll tell you the parallel journey of the oil and my lawn, and it has everything to do with each other, so check it out if you're curious. So a nice cute little wave that you can comb out, and depending how your hair is, you may have a different result than me. Feel free to post your results below, and I look forward to seeing how yours turned out. Check you later. So in the end, this is what it looks like. I've recurled some of the sides that I thought had lost the curl a bit, or I hadn't really done really well. I got better and better at this look the longer I practiced. And then I just do the side sweep, and I love how it gives me good volume, especially as I have thin hair. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's brought you value. Make sure to comment and subscribe to this channel, as I will be pumping out amazing, valuable videos twice a month. That's my mission, holding myself up to it. So thanks again and have a lovely day. I think that's good.